In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the new chat feature, which is the free ChatGPT WhatsApp number. Imagine an assistant ready to answer questions, draft message, or brainstorm ideas, all on WhatsApp. Let's begin to show how to use the free chat number. Begin by opening Google and searching for ChatGPT WhatsApp number. Select the OpenAI website from the search results and scroll down until you find the free WhatsApp number. Copy the number, then open your phone's contact app. And save it as a new contact, giving it a name like ChatGPT. Next, open WhatsApp and search for the name you just saved. Once you find it, you can start chatting by sending a simple message like hello, and you'll quickly receive a response from ChatGPT. From there, feel free to ask more questions and enjoy the instant replies. Stay tuned for more exciting tech tips, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.